broken off screen door latch arm. These are pretty prone to breaking, but actually sometimes it's difficult to locate the same exact type. And this one, I actually had some old screen doors that had been replaced and just kind of able to recycle it from one of the old ones. So just pull the 2 screws off here, and then you can slide the inner portion of the handle down over the latch. Then what you're going to do is pull out the latch with a pair of needle nose pliers or a pair of pliers. I'm actually using my Leatherman here. No big deal, but you just pull it straight out. There it is. And it's strong to a point. If it gets bent or work hardened, it'll break pretty easily. Anyway, here's the one that broke off, and there's a little tiny piece of metal that needs to be extracted. Definitely not that easy to get out, but once you do, then you can insert your new latch and it can test it for operation. There it is. These are better, that the latch piece latches when you push the latch up rather than down. That way if someone closes the door, gravity doesn't do its thing, and as it just did there, and lock the screen on them. Yeah, and sometimes the latch itself on the stationary portion of the door needs to be adjusted. I'll save that for another video. Also, sometimes the inner latch assembly itself needs to be replaced. I'll also save that for another video. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. That's replacing a broken screen door latch arm.